Hello everybody and welcome to another fly tying session with your host Scott. This is going to be another short instalment for the beginners out there, and in this session I'm going to show you how to dub. Now dubbing, I didn't actually do much dubbing until fairly late in learning how to tie flies, mainly because I didn't know how to do it. So luckily, if there's anybody just getting into the hobby, I'm going to show you how it's done. Now there's various different ways you can do this. There's more advanced methods which I'm not going to cover here. I'm just going to show you the basic way to get the job done. Some people like to use some sort of wax at this point. They add wax to this trailing thread here, and then they add the fibres to the thread and twist it on. I've found that you can dub without the waxes or special dubbing adhesives. So here I've got some rabbit fur that's been dyed claret, and I'm just going to pinch some away. And you basically want the fluffier parts of it, and you want to add it to the thread like so, and sort of spread it out so that it's nice and even. And you want to get it between finger and thumb. In this case it's my left finger and thumb, and you're basically just going to twist it onto the thread. The idea is you're going to make a fairly even, nice rope of the material. Try and keep it as even as possible, and you can slide it up and down if you need to. Another thing that you can do to help you is just add your first turn in there and then twist it, and you can get it even tighter then if you need a finer body. So then once it's on your thread, you wind it down the hook shank. Now it's up to you how dense or how thick you want it to be. You're the one that's in control here, not the material. You can manipulate this material to be as thick or as tight or as bushy as you like. And you just want to basically wind it down so that you're down to the eye of the hook. Now, in this particular example, I've got the perfect amount of dubbing the first time round, but if you don't, you can take it off by pinching it off the thread like so. If you've got too much, or if you've got too little, you can just add some more. It's quite simple like that, really. And that's the most simple way to dub. And that's pretty much all I'm going to cover with this particular episode. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now.